Kananu Mwenda will be vetted for the position of Deputy Governor of the County of Nairobi this Friday. Mwenda was nominated by ousted Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko early last year, will appear before the County Assembly's vetting committee. However, this comes with petitions having been filed in court seeking to stop the vetting process. Let's get more from KTN's George Maringa.
On 9th January 2020, former Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko nominated one Kananu Mwenda to deputize him in a letter addressed to former Assembly Speaker Beatrice Elachi. Kananu currently serves as Chief Officer for Disaster and Acting Chief Officer for Water. But just a month later, in February 2020, the Anti-Corruption Court issued orders restraining the County Assembly of Nairobi from vetting the 40-year-old. It was on grounds that the nomination had contravened Sonko's bail terms at the time. The petition was later dismissed in April 2020. However, following the impeachment of Mike Sonko in December of 2020, the County Assembly of Nairobi has once again thrown the spanner into the works, saying it will vet Kananu as the city's deputy governor this Friday.
I am not aware of any withdrawal because up to when he was impeached, we did not see any letter. Any communication from him after impeachment to us is immaterial. We have commenced our process and we will be going on with the vetting as is required of us.
Some quarters have argued that should Anne be vetted and passed by the County Assembly, she would take over as Governor of Nairobi once acting Governor Benson Mutura's term expires. That dilemma has already created a legal deadlock, with the IEBC gazetting the 18th of February as the date for a gubernatorial by-election in Nairobi. Already 5 petitions have been filed in court, all seeking to stop Anne Kananu's vetting by the County Assembly. Activist Okia Omtata in his petition argues that Kananu did not assume office after her nomination. The Adwe Alliance, whose candidate for the by-election is Miguna, is challenging the unconstitutionality of the impugned vetting process and subsequent swearing-in of Anne Kananu as Deputy Governor for Nairobi. Impeached Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko had also filed a petition in court, arguing that the vetting process is illegal, saying he revoked her nomination late 2020. And so a myriad of legal questions have persisted ahead of the Friday vetting, even as the court rulings await. If Kananu is vetted and passed, does she take over from acting Governor Benson Mutura? If Kananu occupies the position of the deputy governor, how does she hover to be a substantive governor, yet she is being vetted to be a DG? However, Article 182 of the Constitution highlights that if a vacancy occurs in the office of the county governor and that of deputy county governor, or if the deputy county governor is unable to act, the Speaker of the County Assembly shall act as county governor. Will Anne Kananu succeed in being the 4th governor of Nairobi? Time will tell. George Maringa, KTN News.
We continue to keep an eye on the political and legal intrigues in the battle for Nairobi. Amani National Congress ANC Deputy Party Leader Ayub Savula is demanding that Deputy President William Ruto resigns. Savula, who is also the